do order ID, check, enforce, create. Now your relationship is done. Close it, save, yes. That's the second step.
Do the same thing, right? For IDs,
Order ID to order ID. The third step, you need to create the forms. I'm going to create a product form so I can always add more products to my database. All right? So select the table that you want to create a form for, go to create, and then create form. So I'm going to click on this, and you're done. Then close it and save it. Yes, this is called the product form. That's it. All right, so you have a couple forms you need to make. Now here's a complicated form. You have to create an order form. Obviously, the order form relies on multiple information. Right, the order form relies on your product to know what to bring into that order, so that to put it into the order detail. But before we get to that, let's test our product for this stage. Conceptually, you see how this works. So if I double click this, it gives me a user interface. It says, all right, what do you want to do with product form? Well, I want to enter a new product because my database is empty, right? I have nothing in there. So I'm going to sell a couple products. Your auto number, that's why you can't do anything here. It protects it. You will generate a number. So go to your product title and then say Apple. That's my what I'm selling. I'm going to sell it for $1. I'm going to go to create another one, a new blank record. I'm going to create orange. $2. Do another one. Product title. $3. All right, so that's my 3 products. So now if I scroll backwards, I can see all my 3 products. I can make changes. All right, so I have 3 records in my database. I'm going to close the form. That's the user interface. Now, if I'm a database administrator, I don't go to the interface. I look at the raw data. I will go to the table, double click. That's what I see. That's the actual data inside the database. That's my backdoor view. And I got all 3 of them. The price is all right. Everything's in the correct. All right. So I'm going to hold it. So now I know the form works. Everything I typed in was captured correctly. Order. Same thing, now I need to create an order form. I'm going to hit form, select order table, and hit form, and it gives you this. I'm going to save it for now so I can show you a kind of example of why this does not work. I'm going to hit yes, I'm going to call it order, form, add. So I'm going to use it. So now you're a customer, you come to me, I'm sorry, I'm going to do an order for you. What's today? Today is 6. I'm going to pick day picker, right? It's one of your requirements. Make sure you have a day picker. What's the total of the order? I'm not going to ask you guys to compute. This is one of those deriving or calculated fields. It takes a lot of effort to figure out how to do it. I'm going to put you through that mess. So just manually type it in for now. Well, actually, no, you guys don't even have an order, but I'm going to manually type this in for now. But now I have the order, but what's the detail? Right? I need to input what did you purchase that makes up the $50. If I were just to use the form that Access gives me, like the bad one that we're doing now, I don't know. I can say one quantity at $1. All right, so same thing, that's what you get. Go to design view. It looks very bad, it's not. Just make sure you don't touch it. It looks very complicated, but here's how you read this. This is literally what the form looks like, right? The order detail is what I don't like, because it doesn't allow me to just select a product from the product table, and you require me to memorize the ID. There's just no way I'm going to memorize the ID. So this is the only area I'm going to select and delete. Because I want to recreate that to make it more user-friendly, right? What do I want there? I want order detail. So I'm going to drag and drop order detail. Right, so I'm recreating the order detail section. Now it's going to allow me to say, all right, since you're going to redo this, what do you want me to do? It says, show order detail for each record in orders using order ID. Leave that alone, but this is what you need to pay attention. I want my order detail to choose from a list. A list of what? A list of my products. So that's correct. That's exactly what I want to do. I want to select and not have to manually type. So I'm going to hit next. And then just leave the naming. You don't have to change that and finish. So now you created the form, again, in a different way. Enlarge this a little bit. What you need to do is get rid of the order detail ID, because that I don't need to show, right? That is never used, other than a database requires a unique record identifier. But in reality, that number, I don't really care. So order detail ID, you can get rid of. Huh? Highlight it, click it on it, highlight it.
You can also write
Yeah, you can write those. What I do want to do is I want to select a product. So I highlighted the product. Right now it's asking me to remember the ID, which is not what I want to do. Yes.
When you select define my own, do you put anything on the drop box right below, or you just click on it?
So I'm going to delete this product ID because I want, your requirement is to have a combo, a drop-down box where I can select the product from. So I'm going to recreate this field with a drop-down. So I'm going to delete product ID, and then I'm going to go up to design and look for a combo box, which is over here. That's what a drop box is called. It's called combo box. I'm going to click on that, and then come back down. It's going to say, where do you want it? I'm going to say, I want it right here. Just draw it. You don't have to line it up. You automatically line it up there. And then now you realize what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to recreate the field. He's going to say, this wizard creates a combo box for you, blah, blah, blah. And then I get to choose. I want the combo box to get the values from another table. What table am I wanting it to go grab stuff from? Products. So that's exactly what I want to do. I said, yes, next. Which table? Product. Next. What do you want to pull over to show in the drop-down box? I want all three. Next. Order. That I don't care where you want. Ascending by ID. Next. Is this what you want? No, don't hide the key so I can still see the product ID. But I will also see the name and then the unit price now, right? And next.